I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You create the shared repository now and assign roles so work is safe and visible. This prevents accidental force pushes. Once done, initialize README, add a license, and git ignore and enable branch protection on main so changes require reviews. You should also configure issue templates and a project board with backlog, in progress, and done to capture tasks. Make sure each teammate has the right permission level. This reduces merge conflicts and clarifies who reviews pull requests. You now follow a clear branching strategy. Create feature branches off main for each task and open pull requests when ready, which makes changes traceable. Once a PR exists, assign reviewers and use draft PRs for early feedback. This speeds iterations. Configure continuous integration to run tests and linters automatically. Require passing checks before merging. Make sure commit messages reference issue ID and explain the why, not just the what, so future team members can understand design decisions. You finish by merging with the agreed method, squash or rebase. To keep history readable, then tag releases using semantic versioning so deployments are predictable. Once merged, update release notes or the changelog and create a release entry. If you need a hotfix, cut a release branch and merge back into main and develop. If something goes wrong, first pull the latest main, rebase your branch, resolve conflicts locally, run the test suite, and then push. This sequence prevents broken builds and flaky deployments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.